Kesha Dhodi and I am an FMC graduate. So when I started my journey with Pearl, I remember first time when I entered the campus, it was in class 11th. And I didn't even realize that I immediately became a part of the family even when I was not in the college yet. So I started my counseling session and I was really confused. I knew I have a creative bent, but the kind of support that I got really helped me to understand what are my skill sets and what do I want to do and what do I want to pursue. After my first year, when I started learning softwares at Pearl, I started loving those softwares. I never thought that Photoshop and Illustrator would become a very important part of my life. I always thought I couldn't do it. But the way everything was taught, the kind of support, the kind of mentorship we got here, the faculty made each and every subject so easy that it was not only easy to understand but adapt as well. My research topic was digital illustration as a visual communication language in print, in specific to fashion magazine because I'm studying fashion media. So, in last 55 years, ever since photography was introduced, illustration has been an important part of magazine, but it is not the only thing that is in the magazine. A magazine is mostly a combination of photography and some illustration. But I wanted to understand the role as it is trending right now. Most of the magazines are picking up on illustration as a trend. We are looking for a lot of illustrator to actually interpret the data and enhance the quality of magazine. But when I started researching, I realized that when an illustrator actually makes an illustration for a magazine for some content, there is a lot more in it than just enhancing the quality of it or just adding aesthetic to it. There it is another medium of communication and it has another expression for the clients. It also helps them to interpret in the way they want, and it is not as it is what is given to them. So then I researched further. I had to develop deeper into it, and I came up with augmented reality zines, which was created to support the artist. So there's another agenda that was developed within the same research, which was for promotion of artists through zines, which also has AR and which is fully illustrated. So when I was planning to make entire magazine, I thought, how about making a promotional zine, probably a one-page article for each and every artist, wherein they can be promoted, which can be used on different platforms such as Internet Fair and other art and museum galleries, where these things can be circulated, the zines can be circulated. They were given a nice origami fold. There were 4 or 5 folds that I explored, and every zine was supported by an additional app which is called Visionar. So when you scan those zines with the app, you would see there's a video that's playing that would tell you briefly about the artist and their artwork and what is the kind of work that they do. So to think of it from FMC point, what all I did to create that one product, there was illustrations obviously, which is my core and which I have been practicing and I love doing. Other than that, there was article writing that I did, other than the field research that we were supposed to do. Other than that, there was also some bit of, because I had to shoot a video that had to go in the AR for the augmented reality for the Visionar app. So that was also, there was also another video shoot that I did. So I think I tried to collaborate all the skills that I have gathered in last 3 years in this final project and put it all together. Whenever we step into a creative profession, one thing which is very important is experimenting. Experiment as much as you want, because this is the time when you can explore everything. And this is what will, direct you towards your passion. This will make you go and do wonders.